Hello my friends and subscribers. My name is Alexander Stepanov and my brother Andrew is helping me with showing you amazing tutorials which we are publishing every day. You asked me a lot of questions about our work, and the main question is how we start in this profession, because it's not normal, it's not usual to see men in this industry. You know, the matter is that 10 years ago, as I was looking for something new, the empty area in the business which could help me to be the popular among masters and professionals in this industry, in particular industry. And that was the surprise that nail industry had just started that time in my city. And after watching my friend work, she was nail technician, I was interested in it and asked her to help me get education of gel nails technology, gel nails technique. So she helped me with it and gave me the address of nail school. I attend classes and became nail technician. Everything was simple for me that time, and I had a lot of friends. I mean women, in social networks, and they came to infill her nails after I made an advertisement, and that was the great success, and I was happy because I had a lot of clients. I worked all day from the morning to the night, but my brother was that time the builder, and he told that he was tired of this work, and he had a lot of problems with health, with his body, because it was needed to work all day carrying heavy things, and he had a lot of overweight, and it was hard for him. So I suggested him to change the profession and became the nail tech. So he started after 1 year after I started, and we started to work in tandem, or we started together. That was great times, and we were very popular in Russia. We made special video clips, and that clips came around not only Russia, around the world, with amazing 3D acrylic nail designs, and that was real success. And now my brother is still working every day with clients, but I work not so often, because I have a lot of projects now, not only that connected with nail art and with nails. I'm looking for something new, but I don't forget to make nail art, to make videos for you. And that's great that we have a chance to share our experience with you and our techniques. I also followed the advice of my friend from Canada to open the small market for nail technicians who live all over the world, or in very far places from infrastructure, from large capitals, who don't have a chance to buy high quality products. And now we have shipping all around the world with free tax, and our clients even don't pay taxes in customs, so that's great. Let's come back to the video, and we're showing you amazing nail design with shining 3D cat eye effect. This nail design will amaze you, I'm sure. My brother is calling to the taxi. He doesn't drive the car, and she is his last client, and after he will go home. So guys, after making the cat eye effect, that looks fantastic, I think. What do you think about this nail design? He also applied some holographic powder on the top of these nails, and at the end it will be looking amazing. I really enjoy these nails. Paintings as always simple. We have no difficult strokes here. Just make the dot in the center of the nail, and using thin tip of brush number 0 or 00, just draw simple strokes up, down, left, and to the right size. After covering nails with the top coat and after shaping side walls, we're applying the oil, and now you should be ready, because these are amazing, fantastic nail design. Nails are sparkling, they are beautiful. It's something incredible, amazing. If 10 years ago somebody told me that my brother could apply such amazing nails, I could go crazy, because these nails are very beautiful. What do you think about this nail design? But the next one will be much better, because now we're showing you the next video, the next nail tutorial. As you can see, he's already applied the same square shape of nails, and he's using 3D cat eye effect. So soon these gel polishes will be available in my store. You can order them. You will be able to order them, and you will have a chance to make such amazing nail designs. Okay, he's using now thin brush number 00 to draw in hidden places. And of course, this type of nail designs, I mean cat eyes effect, is his favorite. Well, we worked together before. I made a nail design and he made the shape, his famous shapes of nails. But now he's applying everything by himself. At first he was nervous about it, because he worried about his nail designs are not so maybe detailed or artistic. But now he doesn't he doesn't worry about it, and he just does his work, and he's happy because his clients adore this amazing work. So just guys, just take a look. It's beautiful. You can do it by yourself without any problems. We have no any highest artistic decisions. Don't forget to click like button, subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow. Bye.